Hello, my student. Peace and good. Today we will learn free explicit information in oral text that you listen to in English, in specific communicated situations with the family. Recuperemos información explícita en los textos orales que se escuchen en inglés, en situaciones comunicativas específicas con la familia. Performance indicator. Refer explicit information in oral text that you listen to in English in a specific communicated situation with the family through image analysis. En el indicador de desempeño vamos a recuperar información explícita en los textos orales que se escuchen en inglés en situaciones comunicativas específicas con la familia a través del análisis de imágenes. Look and listen carefully to the following video. Observa y escucha con atención el siguiente video.
Hi, Gina. Hi, Polly.
Hi, Mike. A sandwich?
Oh, thank you, Gina. This is my brother, Tim, and this is my sister, Olivia.
Hi. A sandwich? Thank you.
This is my mum, and this is my dad.
Hi. A sandwich?
Thank you.
This is my grandma, and this is my grandpa. Hi.
A sandwich?
Thank you.
Oh, no. Your sandwiches.
Oh. Wait here. For you.
Thank you.
Yummy.
Remember, recordamos. Number 1, abuela, grandma. Number 2, abuelo, grandpa. Number 3, papa, dad. Number 4, mamá, mom. Number 5, hermana, sister. Number 6, hermano, brother. Okay. Grandma, grandpa, dad, mom, sister, and brother. Okay, next. Thank you, my students. See you the next class. Peace and good. God bless you. Bye-bye.